Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Open VLC and start the video file you want to fix. Open the video menu and choose Subtitle Track to select the correct subtitle file. If no track appears, use Subtitle menu and enable subtitles to turn them on. Use keyboard shortcuts G or H to adjust subtitle delay by 50 ms per press until words match audio. Watch a dialogue scene to confirm timing. Save a successful delay number mentally for later permanent fixes in Preferences. Open Tools, then choose Track Synchronization to correct timing precisely. Enter subtitle delay using seconds or milliseconds and apply the change immediately. Increase or decrease the value until voices and words are synchronized. For vertical placement, open Preferences and go to Subtitles and OSD settings. Set subtitle position to a pixel value between 20 and 80 for better visibility. Test placement during playback and tweak until subtitles do not overlap video controls or cropped edges. If characters look wrong, open Preferences and set text encoding to UTF-8 to fix accents and special symbols. Still wrong, open the subtitle file in an editor and convert encoding to UTF-8, then save. To improve readability, change font size to 24 and select a bold sans serif font with outline in Subtitles and OSD. For automatic loading, save the subtitle as an external SRT file and rename it to match the exact video file name.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.